Okay, ArtStation. I'm going to show you ArtStation. ArtStation is a place, it's not a person. It's a place. ArtStation. Let's go here. ArtStation. ArtStation is a place. There are many um artists on ArtStation. So when you say ArtStation, it can choose for you one of these artists that you don't like, and you will still not get what you wanted. So you have to know the how do you call it? You have to know the artists from ArtStation that you want. You can go in and look at arts and their names. For instance, let's click on this one. Ooh, Um, I thought it was a cleaner image. Let's see. Like a very smooth image that you want. Like very smooth image. Let me go back here. ArtStation. This is just sideline and extra information that I'm giving you. For instance, you go here, you see a design of someone, and you love how they design their image, and then you look at their name, for instance, HKM. And when you create your prompts here, not when you create your prompts, you can put in, well, who did we see here? HKM um by ArtStation. Let me see if it is by ArtStation. Okay. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, let me see. This is what you put in. Let me see. ArtStation. You put in HKM on ArtStation. You know, you go in. That's how I look for new artists. But the one we're using the most is Mark Brooks. Mark Brooks is also on ArtStation. Yeah, he's also there. Okay, Art Smooth. ArtStation. Let me see. I think Mark Brooks is also on ArtStation. Mark Brooks. Yeah, but we just use his name. Because when you check his art is clean and shiny. You see how he draws. So how he create his images. They are, you see, and so I use Mark Brooks a lot. We are here. Yeah. So I'm going to show you. We're going to talk about this. So like I told you, where's Mark Brooks again? Yeah, this is Mark Brooks. So online, I showed you how Mark Brooks draw. So you can use him. You can use his name. You see how beautiful his images come out. You can use his name in your prompts. You can use his name in your prompts. Look, I used him. Oh, where are you? In style of Mark Brooks. So the black men that I did here, they came out smooth. Okay. I also have ArtStation concept art smooth also, and I use Mark Brooks name in it, and the word like polished I also used. So I got clean images out of it. You can, if you want, you can copy this. You can copy this here to create man. Like I told you, you have to use your descriptive imagination, descriptive gift to describe what you want. And one of the things that I did here, I wanted them to be dressed in ugly sweater for Christmas. And the ugly sweaters that I wanted to find, they should be trending on Google. Okay, when you go on Google, when you type in ugly sweater for Christmas, the sweater that comes, you see so many beautiful sweaters, beautiful ugly sweaters. So I wanted Spark to choose sweaters from Google. Okay, that's why I did that. Okay, I showed you Mark Brooks. When you run this, always four will come. Four different one will come. Um, Sometimes if you're lucky, you can get like three good looking images out of it, two to three. But most of the time, you will have images that you don't like. Yeah, but you can find ones that you like. You see, this one came out really well. Okay, we were talking about Mark Brooks, and then I told you Mark Brooks, you have smooth images, smooth design. Polished is one of the words that you can use to get like nice faces. Mm-hmm. And I used hyper realistic. This is this button. I just click on this button and they'll come in. Hyper realistic. Let me show you. If I say I'm gonna use it again, you see that I put hyper realistic in it. I put painting. Okay, I choose these two. So I choose those two so they will be in my image. And like I told you, ugly sweater for Christmas trending on Google. You see, it chose sweaters for me for the guys. Um, I chose art station concept, art smooth. The guy should have some sharp focus. You see that illustration in the style of Mark Brooks, like I told you, polished. I wanted them to have curly hair. Hyper realistic is this one that I chose. Intricate detail, yeah, it comes with this one too. And painting, this is the painting, and the one by one is the one by one that we have right here. And if I don't want my image to be like this, like for instance, I want a variety of other things. I can go in and take out the ugly sweater. You see, I can go in here. Let's go in. Mm, Let me see. I can take out the ugly sweater. I can say dressed in. Hey, dressed in what a shirt. Like dress shirt. This is dress shirt, how they call it. Um, Dress shirt with button. Trending on Google. I wouldn't say trending on Google. Dress shirt is a dress shirt. Okay. Okay. Painting or stitch. Okay. That's all. When I run it, when I ignite it, listen to me. When I ignite it, I still may get images with the ugly sweater because the ugly sweater was in the system. I still may get images with the ugly sweater, but that I still may get, like I said, I may not, I may get one, I may not get any, or I may still get all four with ugly sweater. But when you have that, you still you need to continue to ignite, like use it like 4 to 5 times, and then you will get exactly what you want. Let's go see if the dress image will come. Dress shirt. Okay, let's wait. Yeah, I think I see the color of the dress shirt, but it's down there. Let's wait and see what we will get. And let me tell you, sometimes these two here, they will never come up again. They will stay like this because it's AI, is a computer. Sometimes it never give you anything, but sometimes it does. You see, this guy started coming out with his dress shirt. These three are cut, and then you can save this, you can publish this, you can use it for yourself. And if you want more, guys, with the dress shirt, you have to go and run it again and run it. These are two cut off. I don't think we can use these, so this will be good. We have one right, and the more you use it, the more speed credits your speed credits get. You use it, it goes low, it becomes lower, it goes lower. Excuse me. Okay, you see, we have some men. Maybe only this we can use, and this one I don't know, but I wouldn't use this one. And still, he has the dress shirt and everything, but you can't use it, and you have to run it again. The more you run it, the better images you will get. But don't forget, you have to have the right words in here to tell the system how you want your images to look. Oh, we have a good one here. It's a brown skinned man. Okay, now we started getting very nice ones. You see here, we started getting nice. We said we want them with curly hair. The curly hair didn't really come out yet, come out good. We run it again. Let's see what we get. Okay, this is how you run it. When you have a certain prompt that works for you. Okay, we have this guy looking good. You run it. Every time you change words in here, the system will kind of start over again with a new way of finding things for you. But the more you run the same prompt, the more it will adapt and get used to the words you put in, like these ones here. Okay, we have men. Okay, I like this one. This one looks good too. You can publish it and hide the prompt immediately so that people don't copy your prompt, especially if you sat down and created, like you create a prompt. Let's say you create a prompt like 30 minutes. You don't want others to copy it and take advantage of it. So you can publish it and show everybody your prompt, or you can publish and hide your prompt. Okay.